Oh, okay. This is another video for another song. We have here Nosy Balasi. This is a type of song that's a very rock. Rock to siya, but let's make it in saan yung Ali? What is this? Nosy Balasi by Sampaguita. And this is a pretty rock, so I will make it like in a soft version or something. Basta like relax ra tayo guys. Tingnan mo. You see, you heard that? That's pretty rock. Pero relax ra ta. Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang na tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo, ay lalo ka lang aasarin. Nosy Balasi. Sino ba sila? Nosy Balasi. Sino ba sila? Relax. Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang na tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. Nosy Balasi. Sino ba sila? 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 Wait lang. Dapat direct today, pero ano tayo ngayon eh. Kalma lang tayo ngayon. Maybe another day, gawin natin tong rock. Sabayan natin yung ano ba. Sino ba sila? Sabayan natin yung tugtog. Pero now, kalma lang. Okay? Okay, it's done. Okay, as you can see right now, I think I've done 6 or 7, but hindi pa ako nahingal. Okay, let's move it.